Good day, students. This is Max Arb, your instructor for the course. The interest inventory is one of the most widely accepted approaches to selecting a career field. According to Dr. Holland's theory, there are 6 vocational personality types. Each of these 6 types and their accompanying definitions are illustrated on the left picture. People with realistic interests like work activities that include practical, hands-on problems and solutions. People with investigative interests like work activities that have to do with ideas and thinking more than with physical activity. People with artistic interests like work activities that deal with the artistic side of things, such as forms, designs, and patterns. They like self-expression in their work. People with social interests like work activities that assist others and promote learning and personal development. They prefer to communicate more than to work with objects, machines, or data. People with enterprising interests like work activities that have to do with starting up and carrying out projects, especially business ventures. They like persuading and leading people and making decisions. People with conventional interests like work activities that follow set procedures and routines. They prefer working with data and detail rather than with ideas. They prefer to work in which they are precise standards rather than work in which you have to judge things by yourself. These people like working where lines of authority are clear. According to Holland, most individuals can be described by one or more of these 6 personality types, and that people seek out work environments that match their personality types. The better the match individuals make, the more satisfied they will be with their job. It is important to note that an individual's interests may not be described by just one of the 6 interest categories. In fact, Holland suggests that people will have interest in several of these areas, but that they will probably have one interest area that is stronger than the others. Holland's theory also suggests that areas are related in a hexagonal fashion based on how similar they are to one another. Look at the picture on the left. Someone who is realistic and enterprising may not be artistic by nature, but they may have skills in the conventional or the investigative types because they are adjacent to it.